We'll be right back.
What are you doing?
Getting oil. Yeah. I'm gonna go look at a bike I can't afford. Well, that's what I was thinking, man. How many hours do I have to work to get a ZX10? Like 6 months?
Work here for 1 year and we'll think about it.
Okay. Okay. I might be too fat for this, Matt. Oh yeah. There's tubes, right? Yeah. Are you sure? Like, look at this.
That's why I do a 300.
Yeah.
You should be on a 300.
Okay.
What's up, dude?
What's up? What's that smell? It smells good over here. Like chemicals good.
That would be the U44 race fuel.
You're joking, right?
Yeah.
It smells good?
I love it. The T4 smells really good. The U44 smells good. The MR12 smells really good. Yeah, just...
Why? Oh my god. God damn.
It's serious.
I feel like I'm getting my hair
I'm telling
cut.
you need to put freaking T4 Plus in your bike.
I'm here for oil.
Okay.
How much oil do I need? I forget. Is it 4?
4 quarts.
4 quarts.
3.8, I believe.
3.8. Okay. I know I'm gonna eventually have so many extra .2s.
Extras, yeah, left
Yeah.
over.
So I think I do have like 2 leftovers. And then a filter, my friend. So I'm not trying to be that guy, but I've been doing like a lot of YouTube content.
Cool.
Are you guys gonna care if I do that when I'm in here? I'm not gonna be like, hey guys, what's up? It's me and the homies.
You know what would be cool is to do a blog. You kind of let us do our own thing. You come in and just do. You see those videos where guys do that POV shots? They'll come in, they're buying their parts, they do their checkout. It might be, all right, man, good to see you. We'll see you. All right, and you walk out the shop. All right, I got on my oil, do my oil change, and then it cuts to you at home doing your oil change for stuff. So it's not so much like the interaction that you have with the people, but it's more of just like a day in the life. But people clip it and cut it up to be kind of that whole thing. So yeah.
Things I do for this damn bike.
There you go, dude.
Right, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
I'll catch you around. Hey Caesar. Matt said I could work here for 4 years, 2 days a week.
Yeah, Sunday, Monday.
Saturday, Friday.
Okay.
Okay, Saturday, Friday.
Free of charge, and after 4 years, we give them a bike.
Yeah. ZX10.
Wow.
H2R.
No. ZX6, ZX10, maybe.
I should have brought a backpack today. I like that Indian too. 25?
25, 11 miles. Guy won it in a raffle. He won in a raffle and he traded it in on a side-by-side. Still got all the original stickers, like it really just got rolled off the...
And so you guys are selling it for less than MSRP? Or not less, but...
We're selling for 11.9. Well, we're asking.
11.9? That's a steal.
12.50. That's the fast one.
That's a steal. It's a Scout, right? Yeah.
Yeah, 12.50 Bob or limited. It's got 3 foot gold.
That's a steal of a bike. 11.9, dude? You can't get that anywhere else. It's a steal and deal, dude. Oh, that's a big pipe, though. Of course it's red. Of course it's fucking red. What do you guys think? Is this the move? Of course it's red, bro. Oh, I don't need it. I don't need it.
My garage is partially open, so I may be a little nervous. Yo, what is up? It's your boy, Grimzy, the Chunky Street Bike Kid. Today, we're in the garage, and I'm going to show you guys how to do an oil change on a 2024 Z900. I'm sure most of you guys know how to do an oil change. It's pretty damn similar to a normal vehicle. You drain the oil, you take out the filter, you put the drain bolt back on, you just top it off with oil. So it's not going to be particularly special for anybody, but I'm doing it for the channel. Yeah. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and line up everything we need. Pardon the mess. This garage is very dirty right now. Don't worry about it. That'll be fixed soon. But yeah, let's get started. Alright guys, so we got a good bit of our stuff that we're going to need for this oil change. First off, I'm going to start with your owner's manual. First off, we're going to start with our owner's manual. I think that's very important that you have one of these. If not, just use the internet. Second, we're going to need a skinny, long-necked funnel. Alright? You guys can get this at your bike stores, your cycle gears, your ride nows, wherever. Just make sure you have this one that tapers off really, really small. Next, we're going to get a ratchet, and in this case, we're going to be using a 17mm socket. Your bike may vary. Secondly, I'm going OEM with this one. You can probably do whatever you want, but I choose to go OEM. You know, Kawasaki fanboy. But we have our oil filter. But I do recommend every time you do it, you place your washer for your drain bolt. Next up, we're going to need 4 quarts of 10W40 4-stroke oil. These are about $11 a piece, so like I said, they do kind of get pretty expensive for your 4-stroke oil. Again, you could probably go get other brands of oil, and it's not going to matter. This is just what I choose to use. I was there. I like to support my local Kawasaki dealership, so this is why I chose this oil. We're going to let it run, and once the idle drops down to below 1,000, that's when we'll shut it off. Alright, we're sitting just above 1,000 RPMs. We're going to go ahead and shut off the motorcycle, and we're going to get started on the oil change. So in the owner's manual, Kawasaki does mention that you want to keep the bike perpendicular to the ground when you drain the oil. I personally don't want to put it on a stand just to have it sitting straight up. I'll just stand it up whenever I want to get the rest of that oil out. Alright, again, we're going to start with our ratchet here. 17mm socket. Easy as that. Oh, look at that bronze fucking oil. Woo-hoo-hoo. Yeah, she's been waiting for this. So we're going to let that drain out. Once that's done, we're going to go ahead and take the filter off. While waiting for that drain bolt to finish up here, we're going to take our new oil filter. We're going to take that out of the bag. Okay, we're going to set that to the side. We want to take this crush washer, and we want to put that on before we forget. Now, for the oil filter, it is spec'd to 13 foot-pounds. For the love of God, just put it on hand tight. Before we finish up and fill it, we're gonna just double check that our drain bolt's tight. The recommended torque for this bolt here in the manual I have is 21 foot-pounds. You can use a torque wrench for this if you want. Just be very careful with these drain bolts. You don't want to strip these either. Alright, so on the right side of your bike, most bikes, you're going to find your oil fill cap, and then you're going to find your what's called a sight glass. So right here we have our lower levels of the sight glass, and right here we have the upper level of the sight glass. The manual recommends that I fill this to the upper level of the sight glass. So we're right at the upper level. I haven't even put in the extra fluid yet. So we're gonna cap her off, and we're gonna let her run for a little bit, and we're gonna see if that oil level drops. And if it does, that means we need to add more. As you can see, the filter filled up, so we need to cap it off a little bit more. So this is the bike up and down. We're at the lower levels, it looks like. Let's go ahead and just top it a little bit more. Get in the safer zone there. Alright, put this cap back on. Make sure it's just finger tight. And that's it. She's ready for the road.
Alright, so the bike's ready to go. No oil. So we're gonna go run a couple of errands. We're gonna do the same thing we normally do on Saturdays, which is go get some food. So we're gonna go get some good old Mexican food down at the carniceria again. And then we might go pick up some other stuff out in Queen Creek side of town. But for now, we're going to go hop on and see how she rides. So we're on the road now. She's feeling good. She doesn't feel too much different. Aside from her clutch, that's not for me, is it? Aside from the clutch feeling a little bit better, because the oil in the engine and then the clutch are the same oil. My shifts are smoother, that is for sure. I wanted to thank you guys too for a video that actually just released like an hour ago in my time. It was the cycle gear of first cycle gear of the year, and you guys killed it. Within like the first hour and a half, it's received like 40 views, which is unheard of for me, at least on my content, my channel. Just a heads up, guys, I'm gonna get a sticker for the dash here. Please let me know which sticker you like better, and what do you think would look better in the dash. Pulling with power, holy shit. That felt good. Are they getting rid of this curve? Yo! Y'all got rid of the curve? There's a tumbleweed blowing across the road. That is crazy. They got rid of the curve. I can understand why they did that. Look at the tumbleweeds. Ah! Those are paid actors out there, bro. Good to grow. Carne asada Wednesday special at $7.99 a pound. Take this off. You guys have the marinated carne asada? Let's do 2.5 then. Damn, you're good. You say finally? Right on the money there. God, I love this bag, man. People can hate all they want. I don't think anybody has. I personally don't like the way it looks, but when I need it, it works out really damn well. On to the next errand. Let's get it. Woo! I hope you guys are enjoying the content that I've been posting within the last almost half a year, a little over half a year, because I've come to the point where I realize I need an editing PC. Just the storage alone is going to cost so much money. So yeah, I'm starting to put money into this YouTube channel, and it's kind of cool because it's showing growth. Like, it's worth investing in at this point. Hopefully long term it stays that way. I'm looking to get some new storage options. I'm moving all my recordings to my streaming PC from my gaming PC. So hopefully I'm not eating up storage on my gaming PC anymore, because I have a 4 terabyte hard drive that's pretty close to being full, and I started with like 2.5 terabytes full. So I'm using the crap out of it. Let's go ahead and stop into this smoke shop and see if they got some cigars. Luckily, in the past, I haven't had much luck, so we'll see what they have available. There's nowhere to park. Wow. That's a nice Harley Davidson. Alright, so our camera ran out of storage while we were in the store, because I haven't emptied the SD card in a while. Well, not even in a while, but just since our last video. Alright, let's boogie. Alright, we didn't find exactly what we wanted, but we got something close enough, from the same brand at least. So we are going to end this video here pretty quick, and we're going to get going home so we can get ready to start grilling. But hopefully that little oil change video helps some of you guys out that don't know how to change your oil, or maybe it's your first time, or you've never done it before. Just kind of show you my process. And yeah, thanks for hanging out, guys. So we're gonna go grill up some stuff, and we're gonna have a good day. Alright guys, so we're gonna end this video here. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please let me know with a thumbs up and a comment down below. Subscribe to the channel if you're new and you haven't yet already, and share the videos you guys see fit. And as always, I'll see you guys in the next one. This is Graham Z. Peace.
Told them pipe down, I don't care what's next, I need it right now. And I got it numbers going stupid like they dropped out. What they think they doing, I don't know, but we can find out.